7.5 million people do not just download a basic utility app and give it a nearly perfect rating by accident. I saw this software blowing up all over my social feeds lately. It felt like every other video was talking about this specific casting tool. I had to see if the hype was real or just another viral trend. Here is the deal with this specific piece of software. Most casting apps are honestly pretty terrible. They just mirror your phone screen. That means your phone is basically held hostage. If you get a text, it pops up on the big screen. If your screen goes dark, the movie stops. This app does things differently. It actually grabs the video stream itself. Then it hands it off directly to your television. Your phone is basically just the remote control at that point. You can take a call. You can scroll through social media. You can even leave the room entirely. The video keeps playing in high definition. We are talking crystal clear 4K quality if the source allows it. It plays nice with almost every major smart television platform out there. You have a stick from that big online retailer? It works. You have that popular puck-shaped streamer or a high-end smart television? It works too. At about $10 for a full year of premium features, it is easily one of the most affordable options in the entire market. But then I started digging into the fine print. That is where things get a bit more complicated. The app includes a built-in browser with a very aggressive ad blocker. On the surface, that sounds like a massive win for the user. Who does not want fewer pop-ups? However, the privacy policy tells a much broader story than the simple summary in the App Store suggests. They are collecting data through multiple analytics platforms. They are looking at geographic positions. They look at advertising identifiers. Then you have this feature called Cloud Proxy. This is the big selling point for the power users. It routes the entire stream through their own dedicated servers. This explains why some people report the movie stays playing even if they disconnect from their home network. It is convenient, sure, but it also means their servers are seeing exactly what you are routing. It creates a middleman for your data. Lately, some paying users are complaining about the hardware getting hot. They are seeing crashes. They see errors when trying to find subtitles. But the biggest revelation is the actual community using it. People are not flocking to this to watch home movies or educational lectures. They are using it to cast from those dark corners of the web. You know the ones. These are the sites that offer free movies and live sports through questionable links. That is why the proxy feature is so popular. It helps bypass blocks from internet service providers. As a pure piece of technology, it is genuinely impressive. It is fast. The interface is clean. If you just need a better way to throw a niche video onto a big screen, it is a solid pick. But you have to be honest about the risks. Those sketchy sites often carry malware risks. They have unstable connections. They exist in a legal gray area that no app can fully protect you from. It is a powerful tool in the right hands. But it is definitely not as simple as the viral videos make it seem. You are trading a little bit of your privacy for a whole lot of convenience. Now that you know what is actually happening under the hood, you can decide if that $10 bill is worth the trade-off. It is all about knowing exactly what kind of digital footprint you are leaving behind when you hit that cast button. It is a tool. Just be careful how you swing it.